The balloon didn't take off. It took off but come back and fireworks are off now. I think them around for 20 minutes. I'm hiding in a restaurant. Now people are running away, look. Well, it looks like it's up now. I don't even know to look. Coming this way.